And what's great about Sun Life, since we're in the topic as well, is we not only have a trust company. If mabigat nga yung magiging added cost, if you work with a company, there's also another option, and that is Sun Life Asset Management's mutual fund. So yan naman ang pag-usapan natin. Ano si mutual fund and what important role does it play pagdating sa mga ganong klaseng savings program?
Ayun, okay. So when companies come up with their retirement plan and they have their board na, let's say, and they're deciding, okay guys, saan natin i-invest yung pera natin? Alam na natin how important it is to save up for the retirement of our employees. Pero saan natin siya ilalagay? Do we buy a property? Do we invest directly in stocks? Meron ba sa ating marunong? Can we have access to global investments? Let's say, meron ba sa inyo nag-invest globally? Tatanong yan sa board. So, of course, they can access all of those kung gusto nila, if they are also capable. But a common and I would say a popular option when it comes to retirement planning, especially here in the Philippines, is through mutual funds. So mutual funds, it's offered by asset management companies. So in our case, it's Sun Life Asset Management, or we call it SLAMC. So how does a mutual fund work? A mutual fund is a professionally managed pooled investment. So ulitin ko lang, medyo may definition talaga tayo dito. It's a professionally managed pooled investment. Pero let's try to break it down. Professionally managed. So it means that the money that we are going to invest for this endeavor, our fund managers do the investing for you. So it's professionally managed. Ang trabaho ng fund managers natin ay talagang tumutok lang sa market. Tignan ko ano ang magandang bilihin at ano ang magandang ibenta so that they can make a profit for you. So what you're doing is you're buying into the product itself, mutual fund. So there are several types of mutual funds. So in SLAMC, we have a total of 16 mutual funds. So pwedeng pang conservative, pwedeng pang aggressive. So it also depends on your conversation with your financial advisor. Kasi if your retirement looks like this, meron kaming mga tinutulungan na companies na mag-retire na yung mga employees nila in 1 year, in 9 months, ganyan. So ang investment na bagay dyan, ang mutual fund na bagay dyan, hindi na natin ilalagay sa risky or aggressive. Ilalagay na lang natin sa conservative. Pero kung meron kang employees retiring in 5, 10, 20 years, you can afford investing it in more risky funds. So that's when the recommendation comes na, okay, itong fund na to, itong money na to, if your risk appetite allows, pwede nating ilagay sa mas aggressive. Kasi historically, more aggressive funds give you more returns. So that's also the value of having an advisor to talk to. Kasi when you do your retirement planning, gagawa kayo ng portfolio ng mutual funds. So it can be a mix of your aggressive and your conservative funds. Now, just going back to some of the benefits or advantages if you force it through a mutual fund. Of course, you have the professional management given to you by the fund managers. Second, that I'd like to highlight,
At no added cost.
At no added cost.
At no added cost. Ayan.
And second, that very important is the liquidity. So liquidity pertains to gaano kabilis mo ba pwedeng makuha yung pera mo when you need it, di ba? So mutual funds, ang redemption dito, it's less than a week makukuha mo na yung pera mo. Kasi ang having experience din in helping out other companies is when they plan for their retirement, they invested it in other illiquid assets. So for example, they invested it in real estate or in a building which appreciated. Ang ganda nung kita nung lupa na yon. But the problem is when they needed to liquidate it, hindi nila ma-liquidate mabenta. So matagal yung bentahan. Building pa rin siya. Nag-appreciate siya talaga.
Yeah.
Maganda yung appreciation niya. But of course, kung kailangan mo na yung pera, makukuha mo ba? So again, liquidity, that should be one of your considerations when you're planning for your retirement. And of course, i-invest mo yung pera mo, dapat tingnan mo na rin kung maganda ba yung return ng pinag-i-investan mo. So that's one of the highlights din naman of a mutual fund, of course. It's the potential returns, high
Mm.
potential returns that it can give to our investor. So yun yung tatlong rason, no, kung bakit popular yung mutual funds when
Mutual
it comes to
funds.
retirement planning.
Mm.
There are a lot of reasons, but if I can just give you three, it's the professional management, it's the liquidity, and the potential high returns.
Yeah. And may I add to those three that you highlighted? Kasi kanina, paulit-ulit nating minamention ang flexibility, no? Is I believe number 4 is the diversification. Kasi ang portfolio ng client or ng account, pwedeng mixed portfolio siya eh. Pwedeng may halong aggressive funds, moderate funds, targeted year na funds, or conservative funds, di ba? So diversification is also important. Maybe you can kind of expound on that a bit more.
Oh yeah, diversification. So let's say you decided that you wanted to invest in the stock market for the retirement of your employees. So
Mm.
when you invest in the stock market, a good practice is to diversify your holdings. Ibig
Mm.
sabihin, mag-invest ka sa ganitong industry. Let's say mag-invest ka sa telco industry, mag-invest ka sa consumer companies, mag-invest ka sa conglomerates, mag-invest ka sa banks. So that's called diversification. If you're
Mm.
going to do it by yourself, dun sa company ninyo, of course, it takes a lot of knowledge and hard work din, no, to purchase all of those. But if you invest into a mutual fund, kasi a mutual fund, it's a basket already of investments. For
Mm.
example, you have what we call the index fund. So the index fund invests in the top 30 companies here in the Philippines. So automatically, ang binibili mo lang yung index fund, but you have exposure to the top 30 here in the Philippines.
Mm.
Na medyo mahirap siyang gawin kung if you're going to do it by yourself. 30 companies ang iba-buy and sell mo. So that's where, again, diversification and your professional management comes into place.